Karma Guy here. Discover the ultimate driving experience with our stunning 4x4 Platinum Black Beauty. This vehicle isn't just a pretty face. It comes with a comprehensive dealer service history and a recent major service valued at over $2,795. With up-to-date emissions and a dealer-certified pre-owned status, you can drive with peace of mind. Enjoy our Quality Plus warranty covering you for 3 months or 3,000 miles. Plus, we offer an exclusive 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price, available at the time of sale. And don't forget to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option. Recent services include brand new tires, spark plugs, brake pads, tire pressure sensors, an oxygen sensor, ignition coils, and more, ensuring this beauty is road ready. Safety features like blind spot warning and a thorough pre-delivery inspection mean you're not just getting a vehicle, you're getting a commitment to quality. We encourage a pre-purchase inspection. Your confidence is our priority. Don't miss out on this amazing offer. Visit us today and experience the Platinum Black Beauty for yourself.